This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cami Alberts. Welcome home. This beautiful 3.5 townhome awaits you. Gorgeous new wood-look flooring throughout this spacious floor plan. Open kitchen offers counter seating for casual dining. Loads of space with separate living room and combination family/dining room, perfect for entertaining. New upscale window treatments on sliders leading to private courtyard, ideal for grilling and growing herbs. Decorator touches throughout, freshly painted, with volume ceilings and all LED hi-hats. 2-car garage for plenty of storage. Brand new full-size washer/dryer. Master bedroom offers a spacious walk-in closet. Complete hurricane panels. Low HOA dues. Secured, gated community with pool. Pet friendly, £25 maximum. Can rent immediately. Centrally located, close to shopping and eateries. This won't last. For more information, review the details below.